Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is August 16, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Maximize our quarterly chart and resize this whole thing. And on the quarterly chart, we can see that the Dow is back above its yearly R1 and going higher and trying to go higher. We can see that we still have our higher lows and our higher highs on this quarterly chart, so it still looks very bullish to me. All right, let's go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we can see that we did dip down below our 10 moving average. But we have pulled back up, so technically we are still in a bull market. We are above our R1 level again here on our quarterly pivots and stuff, so it's definitely looking really bullish, even though we have a red candle here at the top. The question is, can we, by the end of the month, break an R2 level? I don't know. Not sure. This is where it touched out last time and came back down. Some could say that we're getting ready to form a somewhat of an evening star up here. If we do end up closing with a doji near a top, and then we'll be looking to see what's going to happen the following month. But right now we're looking very bullish, and we just need to wait and see what happens. And based on my pivots, though, we are going to see that this thing probably will be opening up above pivot. So if that happens, a lot of times we do at least reach our R1. So that means come next month, maybe next quarter, we will be reaching all-time highs. Maybe not this month, maybe not this quarter, but next quarter, it is looking like we may be able to reach another all-time high. But let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. Let's zoom in. We've had a pretty strong couple of weeks. We had this bearish pattern up here at the top. We did get a drop way down. That was on a Monday. And this thing didn't give you any time to play this thing to the downside if you was trying to play it to the downside, because it pulled it all right back. And then come this week, it lets you know that this thing was not going down anytime soon. The thing is, now we're back here at this top, and what is going to happen here at this time? So that's what I see here on this weekly chart. On the Dow never did like the other indexes. Let me zoom. It didn't come down that close here to the 50 and bounce off. You can see there's a little channel, like maybe the guys who like drawing channels, see how that you can almost draw a line through there, and it did dip below that line where they've been trading at, and bounced out of that area and back up, this line right through there, And the question is now, can it break through? If you were drawing a line on the other side, can it break through that and end up closing above that level? And then we will be seeing this thing going to all-time highs. But that's that. Let's go down to the daily chart and see what we see there and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, it's just what it is, noise. For us long-term traders, those of us who have long-term positions, it's just going to go up and down. But right as we can see here, we've been getting those higher lows and higher highs like we like to see. We can see that we're getting ready to approach this top again. So again, we need to start being mindful of our positions and protecting our money at this time. This was Expiration Friday. Based on where you had sold stuff before, it may have been coming off, but it's also a good time to be putting stuff on. No trade recommendation there. It's just an observation that we are getting near a top again. And that's all I want to say here about the Dow. The Dow has had a strong move, just like all the other indexes, back to its top. That's to see if they can break those tops. So I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.